Good morning. Good morning to all of you present here. My name is Jaswant Kumar. I am pursuing B Farm third year from Hajia Institute of Lucknow, Hajia Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Lucknow. Today I am deliver the lecture of subject medicinal chemistry. My topic is anti-malarial drugs. First is pyrimethamine. Second is artesunate. First of all, anti-malarial drugs. Malaria. What is malaria? Malaria is an infectious disease affecting humans and other animals. It is mosquito-borne infection caused by infectious disease by parasitic protozoans plasmodium types. मलेरिया जो होती है एक इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज होती है जो अफेक्ट करता है ह्यूमन में और एनिमल्स में। ये मच्छर के काटने से होता है। इसका इन्फेक्ट करता है डिजीज बाई पैरासिटिक प्रोटोजोवंस जो प्लाज्मोडियम के टाइप से होते हैं। इसके सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं? व्हाट इज सिम्टम? इट इज यूजुअली बिगिन 10 to 15 days after being bitten by mosquitoes. It includes severe cases. The skin becomes yellow, the patient experiences seizures, goes to coma, or finally dies. Third is malaria is transmitted by an infected females Anopheles mosquito which introduced to parasites from its saliva into person's blood. Etiology of malaria मतलब मलेरिया के क्या कारण होते थे? Malaria is a life-threatening disease transmitted through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito carrying the Plasmodium parasite. The infected mosquito releases the parasite in the blood by biting an individual. Causative agent of malaria. Causative agent of malaria is protozoans parasite of these five species of Plasmodium can infect humans. Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax causing about 80% of recognized cases of malaria and approximately 90% of deaths. Malaria is also caused by other species such as like Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium noli, and Plasmodium semiovale. And female Anopheles mosquito act as a vector for humans being. Classification of drugs like sub include drug. First is pyrimidine analog and also sponticide category की belong करती है drugs pyrimethamine. Second is new antimalarial drugs like artesunate group of artemisinin drug which is used for by the injection. First is drug pyrimethamine. It is a synthetic derivative of ethyl pyrimidine. Second is it is a patent antimalarial properties and inhibit dihydrofolate reductase. Mechanism of action and structure. Mechanism of action, it inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase of enzyme of Plasmodium and blocks the biosynthesis of purine and pyrimidine which are essential for DNA synthesis and cell multiplication. It results nuclear division fails to occur at the time of सीजोन्ट्स फॉर्मेशन इन एथ्रोसाइट्स एंड लीवर। यूजेस क्या हैं जो यूज करते हैं उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए मरिया? लाइक फर्स्ट इज इट इज यूज्ड फॉर ट्रीटिंग टोक्सोप्लाज्मोसिस एंड एक्यूट मलेरिया। इट इज यूज्ड फॉर ट्रीटिंग मलेरिया एंड prophylaxis as it is a primary tissue zoonoticide and slow blood zoonoticide. When used the sulfadiazine it treats toxoplasmosis infect due to toxoplasmid कोनाडी विच caused आई एंड ब्रेन डैमेज। जब सल्फाडाइजिन का ड्रग हम यूज करते हैं तो उसको कारण से हमें आई और ब्रेन डैमेज हो सकता है। इट इज यूज फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग मलेरिया इज एरिया नॉन रेजिस्टेंट टू पायरिमेथामाइन। एंटी मलेरिया एक्टिविटी इनहेंस विच व्हेन गिवन along with सल्फाडाइजिन एंड डेप्सोन। जब सल्फाडॉक्सिन एंड डेप्सोन को जब लॉन्ग टर्म में यूज करते हैं तब ये एक्टिविटी अफेक्ट करती है, बढ़ा देती है उसको। एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑफ pyrimethamine like first it include blood or crusting sores in lips, chest pain or discomfort muscles cramps or pains, redness, blistering, peeling or losing or skin sores, ulcer and white spot in mouth, sore throat, blood in urine, fever, cold or flu symptoms, raw or worsening cough, fever, trouble in breathing and irregular heartbeats. Artesunate is second drug हमारी anti-malaria drugs are artesunate. Structure, this is structure. It is a part of artemisinin group of drug used for treating malaria. artemisinin जो ग्रुप होता है उस कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करने वाली ड्रग्स है, इसका यूज करते हैं बाय द इंजेक्शन. इट इज सेमी सिंथेटिक डेरिवेटिव आर्टेमिसिन. इट इज वाटर सॉल्युबल गिवन बाय इंजेक्शन. ये वाटर सॉल्युबल थे इसलिए यूज करते हैं बाय इंजेक्शन के थ्रू. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन ड्रग्स, इट इन्वॉल्व leaving the endoperoxide blood through reaction with home. It generates free radicals that cause alkylation of parasitic proteins. It inhibits the essential parasite calcium adenosine triphosphate enzyme. It inhibits malaria proteins EXPI, a glutathione's transferase, responsible for breakdown the cytotoxicamatin. Uses, it is used for treating of severe malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum in adult and children. Adverse effect, major and minor side effect of artesunate include like first dizziness, headache, abdominal pain, diarrhea, pain at in the injection site, fever with body acne, anemia, low WBC and platelet count and swelling of the liver. Thank you, sir.